So Gerald, now that the project started, contractors got money and they get into the project and there's change orders allowed. Can you explain how you do a change order and how important it is that they go to you first before doing any work that is going to require a change order approval? Because that is really important, and I don't think people understand that the lender has to approve it. So can you walk through that a little bit?
Absolutely, that's a great point. I think, a lot of the homeowners or maybe contractors think that the contingency reserve is set up as like a line of credit. It's just money sitting there waiting to be spent, when actually it's set there for unforeseen conditions that will come up throughout the project. So the protocol, when there is a change in the scope of work, is for the contractor to write it on his letterhead, present it to the consultant and the draw specialist for prior approval. That change order must be approved prior to the work starting. Even if it's something that's mandatory that needs to be performed, that's been discovered after demolition. That guarantees that the funds are there, the lender is aware of it, and it will then be paid out after the inspection of the work. So a great example of a change order that maybe takes place on a lot of projects is recessed can lighting. They decide they want to install 30 or 40 recessed can lights, and when I come out to do an inspection, the work has been performed, and later we find out that the funds aren't available in contingency. The lender is going to deny that change order, and the contractor has now performed that work at risk of not being paid if the homeowner does not have the funds in their personal account available to pay them. So it's very important that we follow the guidelines of the program, and any change of scope is presented to your consultant as well as your lender for prior approval.
Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.